didn't record any of those mean things we said.
Rachel.
Okay, so first off, what is the total distance traveled?
130 kilometers.
130 kilometers. Your total distance is what you actually walked. 130, right? 60 plus 7. What is your displacement?
10.
10. That's the distance from where you started, right? We started here, we ended there. So my displacement is going to be 10. Alright, so for your speed, it will be your distance over your total time. And again, and we're going to do this in kilometers per hour, so don't try to do this average and that average and then average it out. Okay? What's the total time going to be? 90 minutes or an hour and a half. Okay, so you'll have 130 kilometers over an hour and a half, and then you have 10 kilometers over an hour and a half. Okay? Alright, do you want me to talk about question number 7 real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Question number 7. First, you have 301 kilometers per hour. You're going to have to transfer that or convert that to meters per second. Alright? So just so you know, and that's the velocity of the train. Alright, after you do that, you just have 2 separate problems. The first problem is going to be the train. The second one's going to be the sound. And then you're going to find the difference. So for the train, you're going to have a velocity, which is going to be whatever you get that to be. Okay? You have a displacement. Both of them have the same displacement. They're saying, okay, once the sound reaches that point, how much longer until you hear the train? So they both have the same displacement. The displacement of the train will be 360 meters. The displacement of the sound is going to be 360 meters also. Alright? So for a train, you want to figure out what is the time going to be. Then for the sound, and this is very similar to Ant's problem on U-Texas. Alright, for the sound, your velocity is 330 meters per second. And what's the time here? Okay? And the very last step will be to just find the difference in the time. Alright? And once again, alright? Any questions on this? Nope? Okay. Let's talk about question number 6, shall we? For question number 6, I asked for the average speed and the average velocity. You know that I'm going to ask you on a quiz or a test something along the lines of speed versus velocity so you understand the difference. Okay, so remember, speed is going to be distance over time. Or total distance over total time. Velocity is the total displacement over the total time. Remember the difference there? So total distance is what your feet feel walking that. Total displacement is the distance from where you started. So for question number 6, we go 60 kilometers west and take 40 minutes to do it. Okay, 1 second. Let me finish this. Yeah, go ahead. Then we go 70 kilometers east